Arid Land Adversity, Navigating Socio-Economic, Environmental and Governance Challenges in the Northern Cape Province. By Dr. John Modise. The Northern Cape, a vast and vibrant province in South Africa, faces a unique set of challenges and opportunities. This book delves into these critical issues, exploring the obstacles hindering progress and the potential pathways toward a brighter future. A glimpse of what one will find within these pages. Time's limited government capacity. We will examine the challenges of resource constraints, bureaucratic inefficiencies, and the need for a skilled workforce to deliver essential services effectively. Time's political instability. The book will explore the consequences of a shifting political landscape where frequent leadership changes and a lack of long-term vision create uncertainty and hinder progress. Time's social and economic issues. We will look at pressing concerns like poverty, unemployment, and access to quality education and healthcare. Time's the role of civil society. The book will highlight the importance of civil society organizations in promoting transparency, accountability, and citizen engagement. Time's harnessing technology. We will explore how technology can be leveraged to bridge the digital divide, empower citizens, and improve service delivery. Hence, this book is not just a diagnosis of the challenges but also a roadmap to solutions. We will explore potential pathways forward, focusing on Time's strengthening democratic institutions, building a robust framework for good governance with a focus on transparency, accountability, and the rule of law. Time's investing in human capital, developing a skilled workforce through education and training programs to address personnel shortages within the government and the private sector. Time's fostering collaboration, encouraging partnerships between government, civil society, and the private sector to leverage resources and expertise for effective development initiatives. Time's promoting citizen participation, empowering citizens to actively engage in the political process and hold their leaders accountable. This book is intended for a broad audience: citizens of the Northern Cape, policymakers, civil society organizations, and anyone interested in understanding the complexities and potential of this remarkable province. By working together, the Northern Cape can overcome its challenges and harness its opportunities to build a more just, equitable, and prosperous future for all. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.